unboxing of my new Sarah Flint shoes. So I saw the notification while I was home for Thanksgiving, and I was so excited. I could not wait to get home and grab my package, but I had to wait so that I could unbox it with you. So let's see what's inside. How beautiful is this? You get the receipt in your beautiful folder. And then the most gorgeous box. 100% recycled. And then the ribbon says, "Walk like a woman." I love it. For a woman, shoes and chocolates are an experience. Half of the fun is unboxing or shopping for it, and then unboxing a pair of shoes and trying it on for the first time. It's as delightful as buying a box of truffles and biting into it and tasting the delicious inside contents for the first time. It's an experience. Check out the level of exquisite detail. These are made in the same factory in Italy as all of the designer shoes that you drool over in the magazines. Look at the level of detail, it's gorgeous. And they're very comfortable. There's cushioning and arch support, so you can wear them all day long and not feel like you have to kick them off under your desk or on the way home when you're driving home from the office. So now it's time to try them on. Thank you so much for tuning in. I can't wait to wear these in some of my next Instagram posts. If you are looking to be introduced to Sarah Flint, DM me. I'd be happy to share with you more information on the brand as well as a discount code. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.